Hey guys, happy Friday. So it's been kind of like a gray sort of week for me. I don't know why. It's not like anything bad necessarily happened at work, and I definitely enjoyed the little snowstorm that we got on Tuesday and Wednesday. But I felt kind of like out of it and like exhausted by the whole week, both like physically and kind of like mentally. So to kick off Friday evening and the weekend, I wanted to pick up around the house a little bit and just kind of get everything in order, just so I have that sort of weight lifted off, and then I can kind of just relax for the rest of the weekend. Even though we are moving a bunch of furniture tomorrow, so I don't think the weekend will necessarily be super relaxing, but I just wanted to kind of get a head start and see what I can get done before that. So yeah, I'm gonna start to clean just around the house, pick up all the stuff that's really just accumulated throughout the week, and then hopefully have a nice relaxing Friday evening. I told Mike that I needed a whiskey drink after the week, and he went on the internet and found, what was it? It's like a
cinnamon maple whiskey sour.
Yeah, and we just happen to have everything in it, so we're making those now. Oh my god, it smells so strong.
It's not too bad, actually. It doesn't bite as bad as you think.
Okay.
Yeah. It smells so... When I first smelled it, I was like, oh no.
That checks out.
You can set a fire.
Good recipe. After a long week. Good morning and happy Sunday. Yesterday we moved a ton of furniture. So quick intermission, Mike overheard me recording this and he would like me to clarify that I in fact did very little of the actual moving. I played more of an assistant backup role, and it was him and his friend that did the majority of the lifting. Thank you. And it took all day and many trips back and forth. So today we are just going to have a very lazy Sunday. We just grabbed some coffee because we honestly didn't even feel like making coffee this morning, and Mike is gonna make his breakfast crunch wraps, which are amazing. So a little backstory, we love Taco Bell and are entirely unashamed about that fact. And so we wanted to make like breakfast crunch wraps. We knew that that Taco Bell had their own, but we wanted to try our own. And so Mike's been making them for several months, and like they're amazing. So he's gonna make some this morning, and then we're just gonna watch some Sunday football.
There we go.
Look at that. All right, Nuno, come here. Oh, what is this? What is it? Oh, what is it? Oh my god, it smells like peanut butter.
Whoa, yeah.
You have this, oh my god, what does this smell like? It smells like there's fire.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. You'll probably have zero interest in that, but you can have it. Order him a larger box, like as in a larger breed. No, you don't get all them. You don't get all them. Oh god. Puppy jerky sticks? Oh, sit.
This is huge. I mean, early in the game, that's a you're gonna watch right here. It's bumped by Jackson, and it's really an outstanding job.
So one last thing before I wrap up today's vlog, Mike had actually gotten me a doggy DNA test for my birthday. It's actually an early birthday present. My birthday and his birthday aren't for another couple weeks, but neither of us are very good at keeping secrets. So as soon as he got it in the mail, he gave it to me. But we've been wanting to get Yoda tested for a while now. We've had him for about 4 years. And I think we just put it off because we kind of knew what you look at him and you kind of think he's like a Chihuahua, Corgi, maybe like a Terrier Dachshund sort of mix. And so we kind of just put it off until now. We got Nomar tested when we got him, so like almost 2 years ago now. Because we were just super curious how big he was going to get because he was still a puppy. And looking at him, he kind of just looks like a very vague dog. He's got the brindle, but other than that, he doesn't really look like a specific breed. I think he ended up being an Australian cattle dog, American Staffordshire Terrier, Chinese Shar-Pei, which is a funny one, Pomeranian, Jack Russell Terrier, and then a couple other random breeds that they weren't able to identify. So we're super curious to see what Yoda is going to be. It will be very interesting trying to get Yoda to cooperate with an oral swab, which I think this is, because he's not a fan. He's not a fan of that sort of thing. So I'm gonna try to get that and then send it in. I'll let you guys know in a couple weeks once I have his results. All right, bud. Alright guys, that's all I've got for this weekend's vlog. Hope you enjoyed coming along with me on my weekend of honestly kind of just random things. Leave your guesses of what Yoda is in the comments if you kind of think I'm right in the guesses that I have, or if you have maybe like a very similar looking dog or know a similar looking dog who's something different. But I'll definitely follow up once we have his results because I'm super excited to find out. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, happy Boys, stop.
Take one.